Have you ever noticed this strange moment? Someone in a plain t-shirt, average car, no luxury watch, yet they never panic about money. Bills don't stress them. Market dips don't shake them. They move calmly, quietly, almost invisibly. And later you find out they have a seven-figure net worth. That's not luck. That's stealth wealth. Let me ask you something that might change how you see money forever. What if the signs of wealth you're chasing are actually the signs keeping you broke? What if you're closer to being rich than you think, but you're measuring it the wrong way? In this video, I'm going to break down 10 powerful signs you're secretly rich, stealth wealth traits that don't show up on Instagram, but absolutely show up in bank accounts, investment portfolios, and long-term financial freedom. And stay till the end, because habit number 10 is the one almost everyone gets wrong, and it's the real reason wealth stays hidden while growing faster than you expect. If you believe you're built for more, subscribe now. We're here to guide you with tools, strategies, and stories that actually make a difference. Let's dive in. Number 1. They measure wealth by freedom, not appearance. Most people believe wealth looks like expensive cars, designer clothes, and luxury vacations. Quietly rich people measure wealth very differently. For them, wealth means control over time, decisions, and energy. It's the ability to say no without anxiety. It's knowing their investment portfolio can cover expenses without panic. While most chase status symbols to feel successful, the quietly rich chase financial independence ratios, how many months or years they can survive without earned income. Quietly rich people flip the equation. They build the asset base first, then let appreciation quietly do the talking. Ask yourself this: would you rather impress strangers today or secure freedom for the next 30 years? The quietly rich already answered that question long ago, and it's why their wealth compounds while staying invisible. Number 2. They automate boring decisions and save mental energy. Quietly rich people don't obsess over daily money decisions. They design systems that work quietly in the background. Automated investing, automatic transfers to brokerage accounts, scheduled contributions into retirement portfolios. Everything runs without emotional interference. Wealth isn't built by motivation, it's built by consistency. Investors who automate dollar-cost averaging into index funds outperform emotional investors by 2 to 3% annually simply because they avoid panic and timing errors. Most people think being financially smart means constantly checking stock prices or chasing hot opportunities. Quietly rich people know better. They remove themselves from noise so compounding can work uninterrupted. Imagine waking up knowing your money is working while you sleep, buying equity, generating dividends, and increasing net worth quietly. That peace of mind becomes addictive. Number 3. They protect attention like it's capital. Quiet wealth is built by people who understand one brutal truth: attention leaks destroy financial progress. Every impulse buy, every comparison scroll, every lifestyle temptation costs more than money. It costs focus. Quietly rich people deliberately limit exposure to advertising-driven platforms, not because they hate fun, but because they understand consumer psychology. Advertising doesn't sell products, it sells identity insecurity. While others scroll into spending triggers, quietly rich people scroll into learning, market trends, business models, asset allocation strategies. They consume content that increases financial literacy, not financial envy. Here's the internal shift. They don't feel deprived, they feel protected. Their attention stays focused on compounding, skill building, and long-term wealth creation. And once attention is guarded, they move into a habit that quietly multiplies income without lifestyle noise. Number 4. They increase income quietly before upgrading lifestyle. Most people upgrade lifestyle the moment income increases. Quietly rich people delay gratification intentionally. When income rises, the first upgrade goes to investments, not consumption. A 20,000 raise doesn't mean a 20,000 better life. It means a stronger stock portfolio, more equity exposure, or faster debt elimination. This is how wealth accelerates without visible change. Quietly rich people understand that early-stage income growth has outsized impact if captured correctly. Instead of locking higher expenses, they lock higher asset ownership. The mistake most make is assuming income equals wealth. It doesn't. Wealth is what remains after expenses are optimized and capital is deployed. And this delayed gratification creates a snowball effect, one that allows them to say yes to freedom later without sacrificing peace now. Number 5. They avoid financial drama, even when it looks profitable. Quiet wealth avoids drama. High-risk schemes, flashy investments, speculative hype, they may look exciting, but quietly rich people know excitement is expensive. Instead, they prefer boring assets with predictable returns, diversified index funds, dividend-paying stocks, rental income, and long-term equity growth. They understand that slow money is often safer money. Most people chase fast wins because they underestimate time. Quietly, rich people respect time more than returns. They know compounding doesn't need speed, it needs survival. Quietly, rich people stay invested instead of trying to be clever. They don't argue online about markets. They quietly rebalance portfolios and let volatility work in their favor. And this emotional stability unlocks the next habit: how they talk about money. Number 6. They control their mouth more than their money. Quietly rich people are extremely careful about what they reveal, not just online, but even in close social circles. They understand something most people miss. The moment you talk about money, goals, or future plans, pressure enters the system. Psychology explains this well. When you announce progress, your brain releases a sense of reward before the result is earned. That early dopamine hit reduces the hunger to execute. Quietly rich people avoid this trap by keeping progress private and execution loud only to themselves. Most people overshare financial wins because they want validation, reassurance, or social proof. Quiet wealth operates on the opposite principle: silence preserves momentum. They don't discuss portfolio size, equity positions, or income jumps, not because they're hiding, but because they're protecting focus. Another underrated reason is risk management. The more people know about your financial situation, the more expectations, opinions, and emotional liabilities you attract. Quietly, rich people keep conversations light and neutral, so no one can emotionally tax their capital decisions. And once silence becomes a habit, it unlocks something extremely powerful: the ability to stay underestimated, which leads directly into the next habit. Number 7. They are comfortable being underestimated. One of the biggest advantages quietly rich people have is that people don't see them coming. They don't look intimidating, they don't announce success, they don't signal power, and that's intentional. Being underestimated creates leverage. In negotiations, partnerships, business deals, and even investing circles, expectations stay low. That gives them room to move strategically without resistance. Most people try to look successful to earn respect. Quiet wealth understands that respect earned through outcomes lasts longer than respect demanded through appearance. Quietly rich people are fine letting others think they're doing okay. Meanwhile, their net worth grows through stock appreciation, dividend income, long-term ETFs, and diversified portfolios. The real power? Being underestimated keeps ego out of the equation, and ego is one of the most expensive liabilities in wealth building. Number 8. They treat cash as a strategic weapon, not a lazy asset. Most people think holding cash is a waste. Quietly rich people know better. They don't see cash as idle money. They see it as optionality. Cash gives control. It allows you to act when others are forced to react. During market corrections, layoffs, or economic uncertainty, liquidity becomes leverage. Quietly rich people always maintain a financial buffer, not just for emergencies, but for opportunities. When assets go on sale, they're ready. When others panic sell, they calmly buy. History proves this again and again. Investors with liquidity during downturns consistently outperform those who stay fully invested without reserves. It's not about timing the market, it's about surviving long enough to benefit from it. Most people either overinvest emotionally or overspend recklessly. Quiet wealth balances both sides. They allocate capital intelligently, some growing, some protecting, some waiting. Number 9. They think in decades while others think in weeks. Quiet wealth is built on long time horizons. Quietly, rich people don't obsess over daily market movements, trending assets, or short-term headlines. They design portfolios meant to survive and thrive for decades. They understand something crucial. Time in the market beats timing the market. A well-structured long-term investment strategy benefits more from consistency than from intelligence. While most people look for quick wins, quietly rich people look for sustainable systems. They invest in assets with long-term growth potential, index funds, quality equities, income-producing assets, and diversified holdings that survive multiple economic cycles. This mindset protects them from emotional decision-making. They don't sell out of fear or chase returns out of greed. They rebalance, stay invested, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. Instead of asking what's hot right now, they ask, what will still work 20 years from now? That question filters out noise instantly, and this patience prepares them for the final habit, the one that ties everything together. Number 10. They design a life that doesn't need financial noise. The final stealth wealth habit is subtle but life-changing. Quietly rich people design lives that don't require constant upgrades to feel meaningful. Their happiness isn't rented through consumption. It's built through control, calm, and autonomy. Low fixed costs, flexible routines, and intentional living give them breathing room most people never experience. They're not chasing happiness, they're removing stress. And removing stress is often more powerful than increasing income. Because when expenses are low and assets are working, every dollar earned has more impact. Most people unknowingly trap themselves with commitments that require constant income just to maintain appearances. Quiet wealth does the opposite. It keeps life light so money stays heavy. This is why they sleep better. This is why they move calmly. And this is why their wealth grows quietly while others wonder how they're suddenly doing so well. Stealth wealth isn't about secrecy. It's about strategy. It's choosing systems over signals, patience over performance, and freedom over applause. If you adopt these habits, your financial life won't change overnight. But one day, you'll realize something powerful. You stopped chasing wealth and started attracting it. I'm dedicated to helping you achieve financial freedom through right knowledge. If this video resonated with you, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more wisdom. Now, if you want to know about 8 signs telling that you are upper class, then watch this video. I'll see you there.